Okay, so here we can start our class. We are going to start a new chapter. Okay, chapter 4. No need to take textbook or anything. Keep it on one side. Only keep open the rough book. Okay, rough book. So chapter 4. Can you see it? What I am writing on the board? Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay, so chapter 4, that is diseases. Okay, diseases. That is the name of our new chapter. Okay, Henry, unmute it, Henry. Henry, unmute it. Okay, unmute it first. Henry. Okay, Henry, please read what is the name of the chapter, which it is written on the board, Read it here from. Can you see the board? Can
Yeah.
you see the board? You
Yeah.
can't see it. 1 minute, 1 minute. I will check it. Okay, what it is. You can say this. See. Okay. Now can you see Henry? Able Dawn. Unmute
Yes,
your
ma'am.
audio. Yes. Can you see the board here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what it is written on the as heading here?
Diseases.
Okay, diseases. Okay, can you tell me the able? Can you tell me the spelling of diseases?
Disease.
Okay, Henry. Now mute it. Okay, Henry.
Yes.
Henry. Okay, can you see the board?
Yes.
Okay, can you read the word spelling or
Disease.
spelling?
Diseases.
Okay, spelling.
Diseases.
Okay, good. Mute it. Okay, so this is the new chapter which we are going to start. Okay, here, say some are also joining now. Let me see. Okay, okay. See, why we all are sitting at home? Who can say? Raise your hand. Okay, those who know, they raise your hand. Okay, Ameya is ready to answer. Ameya, tell me, why we all?
Because of COVID-19,
Okay,
we
because of COVID-19. What is this COVID-19? I don't
said
know. Disease. Okay, disease. Why we are scared about that disease? Why we are scared
We will
about?
get fever.
Okay,
no. We
ah.
get that disease if we go to out.
And we cannot breathe.
Okay. So somewhat you understand. I understood somewhat you know about it. Okay. So let me ask you, Abel. Abel is ready to answer something. Amil, mute your audio and Abel, tell me what it is, Abel. What you know
Ma'am,
about it.
if we got COVID-19, we may die.
Sometimes. Okay, not always. Sometimes. Okay. So mute it. So say the one dangerous disease is spreading all over the world. So to escape from that, to make ourselves safe, we are sitting at home. Okay, stay home, stay healthy. That is the that is only we
And
can
we have
do.
to wear mask.
Okay.
We have to wear mask
Stay home,
when we
stay
go
Okay,
home.
outside.
mask. Okay. That I will come to that all points. So,
Sanitizer.
see, okay, when you are very ill, sometimes if you feel not good, can you go for playing? Not today, not of these days. Last previous year and all. If you are not feeling well, will you go for playing or can
No.
you? No, you are not able to go for playing and you don't like to watch televisions, right? Okay, if it is favorite cartoon, then also you won't be able to watch it. Then what you will do? Arfan, tell me. See, sit properly, Arfan. Sit properly.
We will.
One minute. Okay, Arfan, tell me. See, if you
Good
are
morning,
not
ma'am.
feeling okay, if you are not feeling well, what you will do? Will you go for playing? Will you watch television, which is favorite cartoon or anything? Will you do that? No. Okay, mute your audio. Okay, you won't be able to do it, right? So something you will feel uneasiness to your body, right? Uneasiness. You want to lie down on the bed, right? So just imagine, the previous day you attended a birthday parties. Now nowadays we are missing these all parties, but last year after attending a big birthday party, truly you have eaten some heavy foods like biryani, that out. The next day, morning, you may feel sometimes stomach pain. Am I right? Stomach pain, right? Okay. Why you feel like that? Leia, can you tell me, Leia, why you feel it like that? Tell me first.
Because we ate a lot of food.
Okay, because you ate lot of food and it is not get digested. Am I right? In the first chapter, you learned about digestion and indigestion, right? There you learned what are the signs of indigestion, right? What are the signs of indigestion? So who can say what are the signs of
Connection
indigestion?
problem.
Ma'am,
Okay,
can I
Adina.
tell?
Okay, Adidev Nair, tell me. Okay, tell me. See, 1 minute, 1 minute. See, Adinath, if any connection problem, you can switch off the video, but also mute your audio, okay? Mute it fast. Okay, Adidev, tell me. Okay, tell me, what are the signs of indigestion? Tell me.
Vomiting,
Vomiting, okay.
stomach pain,
Stomach pain, okay.
loose motion,
Loose motion. Okay, okay, good.
fever.
These are fever. These are the some of the signs of indigestion, right? So if you are showing, so your body shows these all signs, right? If you are suffering from any of these signs, you won't be able to do your daily activities. You won't be able to do your daily activities. So we can say that you are affected by a disease, right? So what do you mean by disease? What do you mean by disease? Disease is something unhealthy. It won't be a healthy thing. It is a unhealthy thing happening to our body and also our mind. Okay, so disease. First word we learned today is first one. Disease. Disease. Okay, so disease is, I think you can see it, right? Huh? Is it
Yes.
okay? Can you see it? Oh,
Yes.
good. I will adjust my laptop. So here, see here, disease. Disease means is an unhealthy thing. It is an unhealthy thing happening to our body and mind. Okay, so let me ask to Isra. Isra, unmute your audio. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Isra, tell me. Dash is an unhealthy thing happening to our body and mind.
Disease.
Disease. Can you tell me the spelling from the board?
Disease.
Okay, disease. Okay, so write it. Everybody take your rough book and first write this new word, disease. How you have to pronounce it? Disease. Okay, it is simple. I will tell you one easy method. Say, Rohit, mute your audio. Mute it, Rohit. See, first make dis-ease. Okay, dis-ease. D-I-S, okay. D-I-S-E-A-S-E-I-L. Okay. Okay, so write down the spelling and after the class you have to write and study the spellings. Okay. So where it affects, that is what I want to know. Okay. Let me ask to Adidev. Where this disease affects our body, where it affects diseases unhealthy thing that happening to our
Lungs.
that
Lungs.
not only legs,
Inside
not
our
only,
body. In the
inside and
Body and mind.
okay,
in
our
our mind.
body and mind. Okay, our body and mind. Okay, got it. So mute your audio. And in the previous class, we learned indigestion, science of indigestion. Adidev also shared that one. And in the second chapter, excretory system. So there also we learn signs of non-functioning of kidneys. Signs of non-functioning of kidneys. Who know this signs of non-functioning of kidneys? Raise your hand. Raise your, okay, Eva. 1 minute. Rohit, mute it. Mute your audio. Mute your audio, Rohit.
Yes.
1 minute. Okay, Eva, tell me, what are the signs of non-functioning of kidneys? Yes, tell me. Non-functioning of kidneys. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, Varada, can you help Eva by saying that answer? Eva, sorry, Varada, tell me. No, don't know. Ameya knows it. Okay, Ameya, tell me, what are the signs of non-functioning of kidneys?
Kidney stones will come.
Okay, that will produce. Okay, how can we understand that kidney stones are there in our kidney and kidneys are not functioning properly? How can we understand? Tell me, who knows it? Okay, Abel. See, as Abel is ready to give the answer. Okay, tell me, Abel.
The color of urine, no, color and the smell of urine may change.
Okay, color and smell of urine may change. And one more thing, Adidev Nair, why you are waving your hand? Huh? See, Henry also, sit quietly. Okay, Henry also, sit quietly. Everybody. So here, and in the previous class, I shared some pictures of signs of non-functioning of kidneys. Some swellings on the feet, hand, face, that also I shared it, right? Okay, so through these signs, okay, swelling. So these signs help us to help the doctor and also for us to identify the disease, right? So in this chapter, we are learning a new word, the same meaning as that of sign. Signs means signs or symptoms. Okay, so second word it is symptoms. SYMPTOMS. It is called symptom. Okay, symptoms are external signs. External signs shown by our body. External signs shown by our body when we are not feeling good. Okay, so stomach pain, then fever, headache, these all are called the symptoms of indigestion. Color and smell of urine changes and swellings on our feet, hand, face. These all are the symptoms of non-functioning of excretory organ. Okay, Sinan, what you want, Sinan? Yes, tell me. Tell me fast.
EVS exam.
Okay, it
Ma'am, I
is
did
not
not write EVS exam.
1 minute. 1 minute. I think you are first time you are attending my class. This much days I couldn't see you. So we can discuss that after that. Okay. So here let me complete this portion. Listen the class. Pay attention to the class. Okay. Mute your audio. So this muted. Okay. So symptoms. Symptoms are external signs. The another word for sign. Okay, symptoms means another word for the signs. Okay, so symptoms are external signs shown by our body when we are not feeling good. Got it? Okay, so tell me here, who knows it? Okay, symptoms of, those know the answer of my question. Raise your hand. Don't unmute it. Okay. What are the symptoms of COVID-19? Nowadays, we all are speaking about COVID-19, right? So, what are the symptoms of COVID-19? Okay, Jaswin, tell me, what are the symptoms of COVID-19?
Cough,
Cough, okay, then
fever,
fever, then throat pain, throat pain. So these are the some of the examples, some of the symptoms of COVID-19, right? So throat pain, fever, cough, body pain, these all are there. See, so now you understood the word, what is symptom, right? I hope you all wrote down that word also in your rough book. Okay, and see, with these symptoms, if we are approaching a doctor, if we are consulting a doctor, doctor surely will ask, right? What did you feel, these all things? So we will tell throat pain, cough is there, difficult to breathe, fever, these all things we will tell, right? So, and running nose also, sneezing, these all things. So with this, he will recommend us to test our blood and urine like this. When he gets that report also, with this report, with these symptoms, see, listen, my dear students, sit properly. Arfan, sit quite straight. Sit straight. Everybody sit straight. Okay, so with these symptoms, with the report of the blood, urine test and all, doctor can identify the disease. Am I right? Am I right? Yes, okay, can identify the disease. So, and he will prescribe some medicine also, right? So that identifying a disease, how he can identify the disease? Who can say how the doctor able to identify a disease? See, every time I am seeing Abel, Adidev, Leia and all are ready to answer. I want some others also to answer my question. Okay, Prajwal, how doctor can identify a disease?
With this
Through the
symptoms.
Through the symptoms. What is? Through the symptoms which we are saying. Okay, so this identifying the disease using symptom, that is called diagnosis. Okay, that is called diagnosis. I will write the third word. Okay, I will write the third word. I think you can see this, right? Can you see this? See the, I'm not started. 1 minute, okay? Okay. Okay. Diagnosis. Can you see this word? Okay.
Yes.
I will call this one, who it is? Anupama. Unmute your audio, Anupama.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please read the third word.
DIAGNOSIS.
Okay. What is that word? Diagnosis. Say it. Diagnosis. Okay. Diya, Anupama, mute it. Okay. Diya, please read the third word. Diya, please read the third word.
Diagnosis.
See, Diya, keep the speaker some more far from your mouth. Some more far. Okay. And read the spelling.
DIAGNOSIS.
Okay,
Diagnosis.
N-O-S-I-S, diagnosis. Okay, so identifying a disease from its symptom is called dash. Identifying a disease from its symptoms is called dash. Who can answer it? Raise. Okay, Varada told the answer. That is diagnosis. Okay. So these all things we told. What are disease, what are symptoms, what are diagnosis and all. Okay, so let me ask a question. Why all are sitting at home? Why it is
Prevention of corona.
okay, to prevent corona. Okay, Leia told me that to prevent corona, not to affect that corona to us, right? Okay, so what do you mean by prevent? What do you mean by prevent?
Not allowed to diseases.
Sorry, Leia, tell me.
Not let the COVID-19 to
Okay,
disease.
don't let, okay. Prevention means no to diseases. Okay, prevention means no to diseases. It is not only for corona, for all diseases. How can we prevent it? See, we are staying at home. We have to wash our clothes, hands. We have to wash our hands regularly. We have to sanitize. Then we have to use mask. Yeah, and we have to stay away from people, right? Emil, please keep 1 minute. Emil, please keep your device properly. I can see you upside down. Like one film is that, see Kuttichatan. In that one, boy is walking through the roofs. In the same way, I can see it. Emil, keep your device properly. Don't play with it, okay? So here, we are talking about prevention, right? Prevention means saying no to diseases. How can you prevent non-functioning of excretory system? How can you
By drinking
prevent it?
water.
You know, by drinking lots of water. Okay. How can you prevent indigestion? How can you prevent indigestion? Anupama.
By not eating the junk food.
Okay, okay, don't eat too much heavy food, right? Okay, eat only light food.
By
Don't eat
drinking.
food from outside. Drink water, clean water. Okay. These all things we can use to
Less
prevent the
junk food.
indigestion. Okay, so another thing, we can say that, say if you, these all steps we can take, to prevent diseases. Okay, so what do you mean by prevention? Keeping disease causing germs away from our body. Okay, you are sitting at home and keeping yourself away from the COVID-19 virus. Am I right? So you are preventing the disease. So the next word which we learn, new word. Okay, one more new word is there. That is prevention.
Prevention.
Okay, prevention. T-I-O-N. Okay, I hope you can see it, right? Prevention.
Yes.
Write down on your rough book. Ayil,
I think.
Arun. Okay, please read the fourth word.
Prevention.
Okay, prevention. Okay, prevention. So let me ask, keeping disease-causing germs away from our body. What it is called? Prevention of disease. Okay, prevention means keeping disease-causing germs. Okay,
From our body.
mute your audio, Leia. Without my permission, don't unmute, okay? Is there anybody is keeping? Okay. So these are the 4 words which we learned today. I will call Jaswin. Jaswin, read the first word.
Diseases.
Okay, mute your audio. Okay. Next one, I will call. Let me ask to Rohit. Unmute your audio, Rohit. Sit properly. Where you are running, sit one place. Okay. Read the second word fast. Read the second word fast. No. Shall I call some other? Okay. Yeah, Isra. Isra. Okay. Read the second word. Second word.
Symptoms.
Symptom. Third word.
Diagnosis.
Okay. Fourth word.
Prevention.
Okay. So this much we learn. Now everybody take your workbook, page number 16. Workbook, page number 16. Okay. Okay. Workbook, page number 16. Here. Okay. I will call this one. Who? Arfan, read the first question fast. Arfan, read the first question fast. It is not ready. See, why are you not keeping it ready? So, Adidev, read the first question. Adidev. Adidev.
What
Read.
is the best way to keep our body free from diseases?
Okay, read the options.
A. Not covering our mouth while coughing.
Hmm.
B. By keeping the disease-causing germs away from our body.
Hmm.
C. By eating junk food. And
Okay.
D. Not washing our hands and legs after playing outside.
Okay, what is the best way to keep our body free from diseases?
Keeping
Okay.
the disease causing germs away
By
from
keeping
Okay,
the
okay.
disease-causing
Causing germs away from
away
our.
from our
Oh, good.
body.
Okay, so first one answer is B.
B.
Okay, first one answer is B. First one, B. Okay, first one, B. Mark it fast. Okay, I'll please read the second question.
Which of the
Fast.
following is a symptom of a disease?
Okay,
Option
which of
A.
the following?
Option A, we sneeze when we have a common cold. Option B, we cry when we feel sad. Option C, we laugh when we are happy. Option D, we need water when we are thirsty.
Okay,
Answer is we sneeze when we have a common cold.
very good. Okay, so second one, A. Okay, second one, it is A. Got it? Second one, it is A. Next one, Isra, read the third one. Read the third one.
A dash is an unhealthy thing happening to the body or mind.
Okay,
Disease.
what is that answer? Okay, disease. You can see here, right? So third one answer is this one. Spelling, you can see it from here. Okay, this one. Okay, third one. Third one. Can you see it here? Okay, disease. Write the D small letter, okay? D small letter in the answer. Okay, one more. Dia, read the fourth one. Read it fast, Dia. No. Okay, so Isra, please read the fourth one also. Isra, please read the fourth one also. Henry, sit there.
Ma'am,
Fourth one.
the dash are the signs shown by our body when we are not well.
What is that?
Symptoms.
Symptoms. Okay, here you can see fourth one answer. Symptom. Write the spelling. Copy the spelling.
Ma'am, can I tell the fifth question?
See, I am going to wind up the class. Okay, time it is already over. So I will send the question and answers also. You can copy it if it is not done now. Okay. Okay, dear students. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.